What's up guys, it's the real Sihle back again for the second video as I promised. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I work with the hi-hats, the snares and the kicks, how I basically now mix them up, because we've done the beginner video. I hope you've got a grip of what it's like, and now we're going advanced. So we're going to create a new project. That's all where it starts. So I'm going to name this project YouTube Tutorial 2, and it's basically for this video specifically, and I keep saving them, so I think I'll just post them up and I'll put a link so that you guys can download this and work with what I've made and see it for yourselves as a FL Studio file. I'll put a link down below if I do. So I go to samples. I'm using my own samples. 808 mob melody loops. Yeah, and guys, don't worry much about the sample. I did that in the last video. You can go check it out though if you want to just learn a little about it. So I adjust the BPM to fit the one of the sample, which is 160, which I did in the last video. I extend the sample. It makes it easier for me to extend. I always extend to 65 for some reason, I don't know why. And I add my drum sequencer. Now I add my drum sequencer. So I put the 808 pack. These come for free, guys, as well with FL Studio. Free. You don't have to download them. So I always use the house gen kick. It's just what fits hip hop for me. That's what I think. So I add distortion, as I did in the last video. And I usually put soft, but today I'm gonna try clip. Just, you never know. And guys, don't be afraid to experiment. I mean, to do things which are weird. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna copy it. Just press on the thing, press copy, and I paste it here. Yeah. So now let's start spicing it up. Okay, I'm gonna edit this one. I'm gonna try and put it like double, like bam, 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 bam. Then it's gonna drop with everything. Nah. See, if it doesn't work, guys, don't be afraid to fix it up. Keep the same idea. Yeah, don't be afraid, guys. Sounds good. Don't be afraid to mix it up and keep your idea. Keep it in your mind, as in if it doesn't work out, it's cool. Just edit it up. Keep the same kick you want to do, basically. That's what I'm saying. Because it might be dope to other people, like way doper than you think it is. Let's play this. You hear that? Now I'm just gonna keep adding kicks now. I'm adding a clip here. So it's gonna be like bam bam. Nah, needs some work. You need to keep adjusting, guys. Now let's add our snares, since we haven't finished with the kicks, guys. By the way, we haven't finished with the kicks and the hats. We're still adding everything up so that you guys can, you know, see where I'm going. Because if I was to do this for myself only, then yeah, I would be going that way. So I add kicks from sample packs, drum one shots, kicks, snares. And they give you all these various snares that FL Studio basically doesn't give you. And yeah, I always put them on the third bar. I told you guys that. I extend it and I just put it with the hats. Now I work on my kicks up a little. Let me just show you guys what's happening here. You see? Look closely, guys. They're in line. I always start them in line. Now let's spice up our kicks. So let's add these ones. Edit. If it doesn't work, you edit, guys. Producing is like like being a businessman. If you fail, you just keep on. Yeah, let's add another clip. See, we keep changing them up. Change them up. I want it to be like, yeah, you'll hear it. Just to make sure. Okay, so now I'm going to add another drum sequencer. I'm going to change my kicks up now. I'm going to use the ones from the Cymatics packs. This is where it gets really lit now, guys. So I'm going to use a Drake pack. Actually, 808 bar pack. Sorry, guys. And I'm going to use a kick from here. I'm going to add a bit of distortion as I usually do. And I think yeah. See, I told you I usually use soft, guys. So this is the part of the chorus. And I'm going to put it after the chorus. The chorus is just going to be plain. Artist will do whatever he or she wants to do there. And the hi-hats will come back in. The snares will come back in. And this is where it will get really lit. The kicks will do some amazing things. I'm gonna keep adding clips. Sorry, I'm just so focused, guys. I can't record and speak at the same time in a way at this part. Okay. Fix it up. See, you fix it up. If it doesn't work, you keep fixing it up. See, I'm trying to fix it up. I mean, everybody goes through this. I'm going to keep my idea. Okay, it's not working out this way. But I'm still going to keep my idea. Keep it. Keep changing it up. Keep changing it up, guys. Motivation. That's your motivation. You need to keep changing it up. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Keep changing it up. Don't be scared to make mistakes. Yeah, we keep adding kicks. We keep adding kicks, guys. I hope you understand. We keep adding kicks. So I'm gonna put another kick, and you just keep on it. You don't let the kicks go away. See, I'm having problems while I'm moving everything. And what I like about 64s is that using 65 bars is that it's short and simple. You don't have to make a whole 5-minute beat or whatever. I mean, I'm just showing you guys how I made this beat in 18 minutes 20 seconds. Yep, 16 minutes actually. So we're gonna add the kicks before as a build up to build up the hype, and then I'm gonna add one kick. Simple, something so simple. I mean, that's super simple, guys. It's just something anybody could be doing. So now I'm gonna add the build up. Obviously I added it already. I'm gonna add the hats, and I copy the snares and I paste because I'm feeling lazy when I make a beat. When I feel lazy, I just copy and paste, but it's something I made anyway. Now there's a smart idea. I'm gonna copy the kicks I made here. I'm gonna hold the screen, hold there, and just drag it across and just press copy. Then I'm gonna delete this one, hold the screen, paste, and the exact same kicks I used. Exactly the same. I mean, guys, I really put in no effort there at all, except for making the beats, the thing the first time. So add a clip, add 1, 2, and I've added before, build hype, I told you. Add another one. And guys, if it's hard, just leave something in the comments and I will get to you. I promise I will get to you. So I add a kick. You just tell me your problem and I'll get to you in the comments below. So yeah, I add that kick now. Basically same kick. I think it needs to be a bit earlier. Yeah. I'm gonna add another clip, 1 kick. Guys, this whole video is a development of everything. Let's end it on a high note. Let's try something I don't usually do. for the extra. Everything's done. I'm finished. I'm gonna add an audio clip. My files, my samples, X samples. I'll put the link to this below. Try and find it. If I can't, I'll just write the name down there. Okay. Now I move it. I first extend it so that it's easier to move because it's so small. Now hear this. No. Let me put it, yeah. Adjust the volume, guys. Don't forget to adjust the volume. Not everything should be on the same volume. Like everything. I mean, seriously. That's it. Let's get into this now, guys. Listen to it. This is your chance to hear this. Master of Perfection. Yep, and I'm gonna focus on the kicks, by the way, because they were the ones which kept changing up. Let's hear this. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like this video, and if you have any problems, feel free to comment. Peace out, guys. The beat's gonna play though.